Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to be creating this look. I call it tropical cool toned cut crease. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start off with a base. I'm gonna start off with the NYX eyeshadow base in white, and this will make the color pop more when you use a white base for colorful eyeshadows. I got the Jeffree Star 2018 summer collection. I didn't get everything. I had to order it myself. He didn't send me it. Jeffree, send me your makeup, please. I will review it. I already love your brand so much. Please send me makeup and I will review them. Here is the Thirsty palette. I'm gonna do like a tutorial and a review kind of. So we're going to start off with, actually I need the Blood Sugar palette because I need to set this white. Oh my god, I almost died. So here's the Blood Sugar palette. And I just need glucose because this white is my savior because it's so good. Let's just boy, can we just give Jeffree a freaking round of applause? Like, Jeffree, I am very thrilled that he is coming out with foundation, concealer, and like color correcting stuff, and I'm so excited for the liquid frost to come out because I want to pour that all over my body. And like, yeah, it's similar to Rihanna's lava, whatever that lava stuff was. Jeffree said it was really sticky and I don't really want sticky, and if his is sticky, I'm gonna be real disappointed in you, Jeffree. Sorry, I got off to ranting. This is the Scone brush, large shadow brush. The Scone, I think that's what it's called. I packed glucose from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I packed that all over the white base just to set it and give it a little more oomph. I'm gonna put my headband on because I can't deal with my hair when I'm doing my makeup, and so I just put it back, and then I look like either like Albert Einstein or, I don't know, Professor Snape. And then first off, I'm gonna swatch these three shades: Quench, Submerge, and Splash. I'm gonna swatch these because, okay, so here's Quench. Can we take a moment? Okay, Quench, Submerge, and Splash. Like, I know finger swatches aren't the best because this is so pigmented when you use a brush, but then there's the blue, and then there's this teal, which everyone knows. Everyone knows that knows me. I live for teal. Teal, everything. But if you're scared of all these colors, like, don't be. If you just block out these, it's a perfect, like, wearable palette. So I'm gonna swatch these in just a second because they're so good. So I'm gonna take this Luxie 249 brush. We're gonna take Splash. You can't see that, but there's a little kickback. And then we're just gonna lightly, it's so pretty. I'm sorry, I love his brand. I want all of his like liquid lipsticks, but that's really out of my budget. So like, Jeffree, send me your products. I'm in love with this. We're gonna just start blending this out. Bam. After we're done with Splash, lash. We're gonna take Submerge now. And we're gonna pack it on in here. Give it that nice, cool ombre effect. Then I'm gonna take this brush again and dip in to Glucose, which is in the Blood Sugar palette. I literally don't need any other palettes because he has neutrals that, like, these are my everyday palettes because I like to do fun, crazy colors. Now, we're gonna cut this bad boy. Take some product, put it like on the edge here, and then I like to open up my eyes, and then it gives you that little like thing you can use to start your cut crease. Okay, so that's cut. I'm gonna pack on Glucose from the Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to take Divine. Let me just, so Divine, these are the metallic shades in the middle. And like, if I just, let me just, oh my god, so that's going right here. And let me swatch Lick. Ooh, honey boo, boo. Oh, I love that. So here, hi. I'm gonna take Divine first on my finger because that's gonna apply it the best. I have to take Submerge and place it right here where it starts to go into the cut crease. Now we're gonna take this little detailed brush, 731, and kind of like go above the cut crease. But it's this really bright blue. Or do I want to do black? I'm going for it. So I'm gonna use this Zoom Lash by MAC. Okay, so now we're gonna apply this blue mascara. And now I am going to apply this NYX Color Mascara. Now we're just gonna let those dry. Oh, let those dry. I'm gonna grab this splash color, and then I'm gonna just to be fun. I think I should. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna take Quench, this yellow shade, and I'm just gonna dab it on to my inner corner and blend it up so it blends into the blue. I'm going to do my other eye, and then I'm gonna do my brows, and then we're gonna do lips. the final look. If you want to be notified when I make a new video, click that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that bell button to make sure you're notified that I upload. And you can follow me on all of my social medias, which will be linked down in the description below. And I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you go and check out my other video on foundation, and we'll see you all later. Goodbye.